Honestly, I am not a fan of rap battle. Sinasabi ni Dice na it's like a sport na part of hip-hop. Let's say, basketball. Di ba sa basketball, pagalingan naman din talaga. It's about the points. For me, I don't like the idea of putting someone down para manalo ka. Targeting your opponent's character, reputation, or
Yung
something.
personal na.
Personal, para manalo ka, you come out to be the man.
Yeah.
Magaling ka. Kasi there are other ways to do that. Bakit isasali mo yung nanay? Bakit isasali mo yung girlfriend, asawa, or mga kapitbahay, or sino-sino, di ba? You can do it. Kasi may ano yan, di ba? May, what do you call that? Criteria. Di ba? May ganun naman. So, pwedeng hindi that way pala. Yung mga rap battle MCs, hindi ko na talaga kilala. Kasi hindi ako nanonood ng ganun. Mga personal na hugot, nadadama yung ibang tao. I respect the art. I respect the sport. I just don't like how the other rap battle MCs do it.
The Midnight Snack.